Welcome to Ayurveda Love for Health. Today I am talking about a home remedy for cough with using some Ayurvedic medicines. Aside from cough, this also helps to improve digestion. This remedy is also good for chronic respiratory disorder with people with have long-term lung problems. Let's know how to prepare and what are the ingredients. The ingredients are ginger, black pepper powder 5 gram, pippali means long pepper powder that is 5 gram, turmeric powder half teaspoon, jaggery 5 gram or more you can take, cow ghee 1/4 teaspoon. You can also add tulasi to it. Now how to prepare this medicine. Take 2.5 glass of water. Add all ingredients and boil the water and reduce to 2 glasses. You can drink this 3 times a day. Jaggery and ghee relieve throat irritation. All ingredients are powerful anti-inflammatory spices. Pippili powder is useful in cough and expel the phlegm out of lungs. Tulasi and turmeric powder is beneficial in relieving cough and cold symptoms due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory property. These ingredients also help to increase immunity. If you want to dilute, you can add hot water to it and also you can add extra jaggery to it. You should take half glass 3 times a day. Hope you liked the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.